Yes. Welcome back to Daytime Live, and we are happy to have producer and artist in the house. Welcome, Mr. Demarco. Yes.
All right, so you're back home for a bit promoting your new single, Slimmer Wear.
Yes.
And a track with Yannick. Tell us about your weight loss journey, first of all.
Well, I stopped eat meat. I eat meat again, and just decide say I need to shed the weight, and it's more healthy for me. You know what I mean? I can perform better. You know, in every way. I don't know.
I hear that. Okay, how was that working with Yannick and everything on the track? How was that process?
You know, so Yannick reached out to me because this me for talk from, right?
Any one of them, we're here.
Okay.
I don't think you need it. I think we were going to pick up on this one.
Okay, all right.
That was for your performance, yeah.
So Yannick reached out to me, and you know, cause she knows I produce and write and all of these things, and she said she want to do some music, and I was like, yeah, I'm ready because she have the talent. You know what I mean? Her voice is good. She know to project herself right. You know what I mean? She have the look, everything. So I was like, yeah, ready. And she come to Atlanta.
It was like, yeah. Yeah, I hear you. I see you, man. I see you.
Big up Yannick. So she come to Atlanta and do a track together. And I'm currently here. I just shot the video yesterday. And you don't know.
You're just doing the rounds with all of that.
Yes, I do the
But
rounds.
guess when you talk about a top producer, a top artist, and an actor, because I'm seeing a sprinter.
Yeah, man. I go like a dance.
So tell us about even that journey. How you got called for the role? What was the preparation like? And you know, was this the first time doing something along that line?
Yeah, I mean, Storm reached out to me and was like, you know, I think you're fit for a Dan role in my film. And I was like, yeah, of course, I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm say, yo, come audition and give me something for read. And my audition, and was like, yeah, perfect, let's go.
By the way, guys, if you see, the man really scared me in the movie. Yeah, man, somebody see
That's all scary, right?
Yeah.
But not only that, you seem to have a sequence of firsts in so many areas, because you also had a huge Afrobeat hit called with Akon and Run Town.
Yeah.
No wahala
mean no problem.
See?
Just learned that
today, and you're one of the first dancehall artists though to use that beat. So tell us about working with that project, and do you have anything like that coming up?
Of course, we have a whole heap more Afrobeat songs coming out, and that particular song now, I did a single deal with Akon, right? So it was like we need a single, so I produced the beat, wrote my part. Akon wrote his part. He did. He sang my chorus over again. So and then Runtown wrote his part, and then we just made the song work, video the song, put it out, and I hit it up like over 16 million views.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, man.
Wow.
I'm gonna put you on the spot though, Demarco, because I want to know, what do you enjoy more, being an artist or producer?
Both of them. I just love music.
Or actor.
It's like, well.
And you know, I'm into film too, because I have cameras and all of that stuff. I just bought, you know, red camera.
Which one that?
Red camera.
Yeah, boy, may I learn enough
Our film manager's like, the red camera, duh.
Yeah,
okay, tell us about the red camera.
Yeah, I just bought one. It's very expensive, like 30 G's for US for one of those cameras.
So you don't know
and them they shoot the movie, them and the big music video.
You can't take picture. You can't take picture too?
It's not a
picture
one
camera,
of them.
just
But you
just
can get
for
stills.
kinda-
You can get stills from it.
You can
if
get
you
stills?
freeze the frame.
Right.
Yeah.
Right.
What do you think, Michelle? We can make Demarco. We can another first. First producer, first.
We're ready.
You know.
That's something.
Ready.
But Demarco, what's next for you though? What's next for you? Tell us
Whole
about
heap of things. We're doing a lot of singles right now. We just fly up my record label, you know, because I was away for a little while now because I wanted to know the business side of the music.
Nice.
Because a lot of artists out here don't know about that side.
Yeah.
Them just know about the fast money, the show money, and the dub plate money, but them not look on the longer run money, like the publishing, the royalties, the mechanicals, all of them things there. So
the business of the show.
So that's why, that's why I take on myself for a minute and just study the business.
So you're based primarily in Atlanta for that?
Yeah.
Right, okay.
Yeah, so
All right, well, here we just get schooling from Demarco. We learn
Red camera.
we'll know about red camera. Thank you so much for stopping by, brother. That's it for Daytime Live. Catch us back on Tuesday with much more buzz,
Chats,
vibe, and mix. And of course, Demarco going to take us over with a new single.